I want to share this quick clip on how to go into Purim if you have a sensitive stomach, and how you're going to deal with extra food, and how you're going to deal with possibly alcohol that may be coming your way. So if you have a sensitive stomach or a digestive ailment, number one, begin with the end in mind. Don't overeat. Even if your food is healthy food, the best thing you can do for a sensitive stomach is not to overeat. Remember, the stomach is the size of your fist. This is pretty much all you can contain. Yes, it will expand somewhat, but overeating will put tremendous pressure on the digestive system and disrupt its normal healthy balance. The second thing is, because alcohol disrupts the digestive system, it's really important to eat easy to digest foods before you consume any alcohol. And those foods should be rich in quality protein like fish, chicken, meat, or eggs. A little bit of fat is okay, but not too much. And specifically green leafy vegetables, kale or green broccoli, or cruciferous vegetables as well, and some sulfur-rich vegetables, because sulfur helps to support your liver. The key piece here about sensitive stomachs going into Purim is increase your fiber, healthy fibers. My favorite are flax seeds, chia seeds, and if you can get them, hemp seeds. Take equal parts, grind them up in your blender, and have 1 to 2 tablespoons sprinkled into your soup or onto your salad or into some water, and then drink that down. The fiber helps to slow down the effect of alcohol in your body. It also helps to support your digestive system. And lastly, it helps to detoxify your body. So I hope you leave Purim feeling better than before. L'chaim.